As the cost of living continues to impact citizens the world over, this evening we speak to Jamaicans living in the United States. Romardo Lyons has part one of TVJ's In Focus report, Hunting Greener Grass.
Now guys, this one is going to be a good one because we're going to be taking a look at some Jamaicans that's living in New York, and they're basically saying, you know, it's tough and they can't make it and rent is too much and, you know, the job's not paying enough. So please stick around because I need you to help me break down this one. And as usual guys, come for the complaint, but please expect different perspective. As usual, this channel is dedicated to real, raw and uncomfortable conversation that Jamaicans just simply need. We will be calling out the issues, behaviors and mindsets that just keep holding us back. From economics to culture to everyday life, I will be diving into topics many people are just afraid to touch. So again guys, stick around and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Check Yourself JA. My name is Andre, and as usual, if you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing. And while you're at it, just go ahead, smash that like button for me. I would really appreciate it. Also, remember to hit that post notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now guys, without further delay, let's jump into it.
Many Jamaicans pack suitcases with hope, leaving behind the comforts of Jamaica in search of better. But what many think is a walk in the park is actually a manhunt by bills.
It's not easy over there, isn't it? It's not easy. Well tough over there. Yeah, we have to do 2 and 3 jobs.
Both were born in Jamaica. They now call New York home. Omar Brown left 3 years ago and works 6 days a week at a restaurant, a sure source of income. But even with that surety,
no, we're foreign on a bed of roads. No, if on the street, no gold in the line, no money in the line in the street, no at all where you go to the street. And I like Jamaica where you can go link to your dog, them or you know, cook some food or wake up and block today, you can share. I go link me and care, my cousin for your pay. That's they are foreign. Every man for themselves, you say, is it?
Colleen Nicholas works at a hotel in New York. Her shift starts as early as 5 a.m. But with cost of living tugging at her pockets.
And all I work for is to pay rent and bills. It's not easy. And it's only like 7 hours we work, and it's not a lot of money. It's just a small amount of money. We don't even get maybe $400 or $500 a week. And that's all I have to pay my rent. My rent is over $2,000.
So before me jump into it guys, me definitely have to big up the content creator. Big up to the young lady and big up to the young man we basically do the interview. No, me can't get into it. Now, Jamaicans, let me just say this. I may say it in all of my video them, and me will keep stress on it. When you come to America, and you do jobs like these, they look at hotel them, they look at Burger King, they look at McDonald's, they look at Popeyes, they look at restaurant them. They are not high-paid jobs. Them the job they're not created for you and me. Them the job they're not created for we. Think about this. When American citizens leave America and come to Jamaica, them come to what kind of job? Popeyes and Burger King and Tasties? Them not come to that. So why when we come here, we come to this? Because what? Because we don't have the skills. When them leave America with the knowledge and the studies and the experience to go to Jamaica go do certain jobs. When we leave Jamaica and come here, we come here with nothing. 2 long hands and a bag of clothes. And that is the reason why we now make it, because before we even left Jamaica, we not try to figure out the state, the income in the state, if we pay city tax or state tax, how much the average American make, what kind of skills you have to make the amount of money it need to make for being in that state there. You don't think about none of that. The only thing we think about, if we pack bag and come here and say, oh, we are foreign. And we can send back some pictures and maybe pack 1 barrel. Uno run come in on one wall because uno come here with no plan. Brother, there is no way you're going to work in a restaurant and make it. No way. Sister, there is no way you're going to work in a hotel and make it. Especially if you try to have kids. Uno think no man, me say I want to stop and just think about what I do and what I say. I want to look stupid. When you did that at Jamaica, when you're working on somebody's back or somebody's restaurant, you didn't make money, man, youth. When you did that at Jamaica and you're working at somebody's hotel, you didn't make money. Then how you come and say you think you're going to make money? So what you should have do? If you come here without a plan, you know pick up the little job them Do the little 15, the little $9, the little $20, the little $10 job them until you figure out how to move to the next tax bracket, until you figure out how to move to the next tax bracket, and then you will suddenly find out, say, the same America where you used to say tough, suddenly it's not tough again. We not come here with no skills. We not come here with no high paid skills. We not come here with no plan. And as a result of that, we start fall behind. We start point finger. We start complain. But make we continue.
She has children and home ownership would be ideal. But can that happen anytime soon?
No, you're crazy? No.
No.
I have to find a rich husband first.
Like her, many are stuck with rent, and the figures are hefty. According to apartments.com, only 1% of apartments in New York cost below $700 per month. 10% between $1,500 and $2,000. 83% above $2,000. That's 316,000 Jamaican dollars. And after all that, Miss Nicholas still has other expenses.
I have to pay phone bill, send children to college, send children to high school. It's not easy.
Now food, another recipe for debt. We checked on some much sought after items at several grocery stores in the state. Bread, $4, 632 Jamaican dollars. 3 pounds of chicken, almost $19, 3,000 Jamaican dollars. Kids' favorite, cereal, from $9 to $11, 1,700 Jamaican dollars. Mr. Brown says the American dream is a financial nightmare.
The real dream, and for people like me and you, they must see for a movie and this pretty foreign thing, a movie sign them there. As a real foreign dream, and for me and you, you have to just come and say, come work, they save the money and get out.
Now, listen to what him just said a while ago. Him said the American dream is not for us. We will just come here and work and then go back our yard. Me don't know about him, but me know about me. And the American dream what him talk about is the one where you have a nice car and a nice house. You can travel, you can wear little jewelry, you might have the kids with the picket fence. That American dream that him talk about, a foolishness. That's a garbage. The new American dream is financial freedom. Jamaicans, the new American dream is financial freedom. I mean, no, we don't study them thing there. I mean, no, we don't want to hear them thing there. But when you can be financially free in America, you win. You win. So while we're on the topic, let me just say this. Listen, we don't work together like what the Chinese, the Jews them, the Italian them, the Korean them. Everybody work together. Even the Spanish them work together. You're looking at one apartment, you see 6 or 7 of them in the apartment. Not because them can't afford it, because them practice group economics. Yeah. So when you say 4 or 5 we live in an apartment, it was never for the good. It's never for one person to move out and buy a house, so the next person can move out and buy a house, so the next person can move up the ladder, or our next person can go to college. We don't do that. You know what we do? We bungle up together and then buy a nice car. We bungle up together and then go to the next party. We bungle up together and buy a luxury brand. We bungle up together and then go to Jamaica go show off for the big steam fish. We bungle up together and then we dip on vacation. We never bungle up together and actually take the money and invest it. We never actually bungle up together and practice group economics and then figure out how we're going to help each other to move along. And that's a beat way. So everybody work together except Jamaicans because we need to figure out how to brag for our brother and brag for our sister. But make we hear them and say. Make we hear them and say.
However, Miss Nicholas is still hopeful.
Unfortunately, it's not a bed of roses because I don't have 2 chains around my neck and no fantangles around my hand. It's not a bed of roses. It's really, really hard. And many people come here have to sleep on floors, and yeah, I had to do that before.
In part 2, we explore options available for personal development and hear from the New York-based Caribbean Migrant Services. Romarda Lyons, TV.
So when we look on this video and we evaluate it, we realize say we're still backward. We realize say we not change our mentality, we not change our mindset. And that's why we're in the situation we're in and we're in the position we're in. Work 12 months, you get 2 weeks of vacation for go to Jamaica, go show off on your steam fish. That's it. And you come back to nothing more than debt and bills. Because you need to feel like you do something. You need to feel like you win. When in truth and in fact, you dig yourself more and more in a terrible situation. So when we look on the video, it clearly shows me say we not come here with no skill, and we not come here with no plan, and we not help each other, and we not stick together with each other. We not do that. And that alone make us start lose the game. That alone make us start lose the game. When we do group economics, whether you asleep on the floor or me asleep on the floor, that money that we accumulate, why we take it and go give to Mercedes-Benz? Why? Why we take it and go give to BMW? Why? If you are sleeping in a living room and you drive a Benz, you're stupid. If you live on a bunk bed and a two owner share the bed and a two owner split the bills in the room, at least when you come out of the bunk bed or come out of the one room, make sure you gather some wealth. Make sure you say you put something together. Make sure you say you have some form of investment. Make it count, guys. Make it count. We come into the country for opportunity, Jamaicans. At least change your mentality. No, we come into the country for opportunity. Jamaicans, make it count. Please. Me hear him say, when him there Jamaica, him could have got him auntie or go down and bridge and go bake some food. Brother, you're a big man. You're a big man. And if you have youth, you can't have youth and have the mentality they say you're going to go bake some food from somebody. How a big man you say, if you run out of money, you're going to bake some food. That makes sense? And you have kids. And you have a baby mother. That don't make no sense. When you go grow up, when you go realize, say, you have to at least as a big man be self-sufficient. Come on, man. Come on, Jamaica. Come on. We could do better than this, man. Jamaica, we could do better than this. The opportunity there. Come here, come apply yourself. Come here with a plan. Come here willing for work. Come here willing to learn. Come here willing to change your mentality. How we operate at Jamaica, we can't operate as a different system, different country, different times. This is a first world country. You lose at Jamaica and you come in a first world country, you're still a loser. So you're a loser, you're a natural loser. Until you're willing to change your mindset. Until you're willing to see America for what it is. But before we go, guys, we want to say, you tell me what you think. You tell me where you are sitting on your end. You tell me what you are experienced. Because quite frankly, me I see a completely different America from where them I see. Me come here with a plan. When me left Jamaica, me know exactly where me come do. Exactly where me come do. And I eat me at the right now. So again, me don't know what to tell them to say. Me just say we need to break the curse. We need other people come make it. Other people come make it. Other community of people come make it. Come set up them local tire shop. Come set up them local printing shop. Come set up them local tint shop. Come set up them local auto shop. And the whole of them support each other. Them take them little time. We can't do that. We cannot do that. So is it that America really tough? Is it that America really that expensive? Is it that the American dream is not for us? Which the new American dream, again, is financial freedom. As a matter of fact, we don't even talk about retirement in the Jamaican community. But that's another topic for another time. Once again, we have come to the end of another video. Now, if you found value in this video, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share. Or better yet, if you know someone that might find value in this video, please go ahead and share. And as usual, guys, be safe. And me catch you up on the next video. Peace.